Hello guys, I'm there. Welcome to Jerry. Then we'll talk about P. What is P? P network explained full time. Stay tuned guys because P network gonna be the first 3.0 network. It's gonna be so easy, so innovatable without them. All the mobile network product has been building throughout all those years. It's ready and also it is right now on some dexes. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So we'll talk about what is P, P nodes, P network, its innovative team, it's behind the white paper, the roadmap, everything. So right now, we'll talk about the P network, P explained. Ever wondered if you could mine cryptocurrency straight from your phone without using crazy amounts of electricity? Well, meet P network. Today we're diving into like P, how it works, and why it got millions of people excited. So this is what the site telling us. Right now, P Network is a mobile-first cryptocurrency founded in 2019 by Stanford P. Doctor. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires energy-intensive mining, P uses a unique proof-of-stake-like model, allowing people to mine with just a tap of their phones. Mining P is free, requires no expensive equipment, and is designed to be inclusive and user-friendly. So right now, P is operates on the Stellar Consensus Protocol (SCP), making transactions efficient and scalable. So right now, P from the very start is shown that its advantages is it's so free. It's allowing people to mine with just the tap of their phones. It is for everyone, so it's really populated. Users mine P by logging into the app daily and confirming their activity. So if I'm a user, I can mine some P and get paid by logging into my app daily and confirming their activity. The network is secured through security circles. Users validate each other instead of relying on energy consuming nodes. So right now, P is operating on a secured through security circles. So it's going to solve that some type of blockchain, but more efficiency and more less energy consuming nodes. And right now, it is on Mainnet, launched in February 2025. Today, allowing P holders to trade P freely on major exchanges. 65 million plus active users. 65 million, guys, which is incredible globally. It's making it one of the largest blockchain projects by user base. It's going to be massive throughout all those weeks and months. In a really bearish bull cycle right now, we're going to see P be tremendous. P and closed network phase restricted external transactions, but now users can transfer, trade, and use P in real-world application. So it's really important to see that the P is the next big thing, crypto. I don't know about that, but it's got a unique approach, a massive community and adoption, and now with its mainnet launch, it's finally stepping into the real crypto market. What do you think? Let us know in the comments right now below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye guys.